Welcome back. Let's move on now and talk about the other important stories here. The joint committee set up by the market regulator SEBI has submitted its final recommendations on the norms that will guide the listing process of life insurance companies. NDTV learns that by and large, the joint committee has accommodated all the concerns raised by the market regulator, particularly on the disclosure front. Vijay Iyer has the details.
The joint committee set up by market regulator SEBI for finalizing the draft guidelines for life insurance company IPOs has submitted its final recommendations to the capital market regulator. NDTV has learned that the life insurance companies will have to disclose the method of valuation and will also need to disclose the profitability of each business vertical separately. While doing this, the insurance companies will also have to make exhaustive disclosures of their respective business models. The other important recommendation being the definition of promoters for insurance companies will be as per the SEBI Act. This will bring uniformity with all other listed companies in the market.
Well, I'm sure, there would be certain very strict rules laid down for that, because yes, the valuation could be a big factor of determining, maybe the market cap or, how it gets listed, for what amount it raises money. There are norms which say that 25% should be held by non-promoters. So if that is the case, both, as you said, both will need to drop it proportionally. But dropping it proportionally seems to be the most logical solution out here.
But the other tricky issue of mandatory 25% public shareholding is still to be resolved. The IRDA has requested the Finance Ministry to give life insurance companies a special waiver, as the current joint venture holding structure, where foreign partners hold 26% stake, will force the Indian promoters to dilute a larger stake in order to meet the norms. Assuming that these recommendations get SEBI approval, there are other potential hurdles. There is still no clarity in the Insurance Act on proportionate stake dilution by foreign partners during the IPO. Also, the RBI is yet to declare a roadmap on holding structures for financial conglomerates, as that would determine the fate of IPOs for insurance companies like SBI Life, ICICI Prudential and HDFC Standard Life. In Mumbai with Vijay Ganesan, Rahul Bidappa for NDTV Profit.
With that, we run out of time on this bulletin, but keep it with the channel. Programming and news updates will continue here. Coming up next is Money Mantra.